Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a price action analysis on volatility 100 index. Alright, and I'll be showing you guys a simple method which you can take your entry on any currency pair of volatility. Alright, you can use this method to take your entry. Alright, it's a price action method. Okay, make sure to watch the video to the end. Alright, make sure not to skip any part of this video because there are some vital information I'm going to be sharing with you guys that is going to be very helpful to you. Okay, so I'm going to head to the daily time frame now. Alright, so I'll be doing the analysis starting from the daily time frame. Alright, so here on the daily time frame, I'm going to first of all try to identify the trend of the market. Alright, because like the saying goes, the trend is your friend. Right, I want to be following the direction of the market. I want to be trading towards the same direction as the overall trend of the market. Okay, so first of all, you try to identify the trend. Right, now you can see that we are in a downtrend. Right, the overall trend is a downtrend, and you can see there is also this resistance zone here around this area that you can see that is rejecting price to the downside. All right, so every indication on volatility 100 index is pointing down. All right, so even if we are to check the weekly, you can see that price is kind of heading down right now. All right, so what I'm to do here is to just look for sell trades. Right, so I'm going to be following the trend here on the daily time frame. All right, so now let's step down to the 4 hours to see what's happening here on the 4 hours. Right, so here also on the 4 hours you can see that the resistance here is still showing. You can see how price has been rejecting from this zone. All right, so now my concern now is that I want to go in and get out immediately as a scalper. Right, so I'm a scalper, so that's what I want to do. So what I want to do now is to try go get the early movement and then get out of the market. Here on the 1 hour time frame, you want to confirm if market is still in line with the daily time frame. All right, now you can see everything is still in line. All right, so I'm going to still step down to the 30-minute time frame to see what I can do. Right now you can see that everything is still in line. All right, everything is still in place with these things. All right, now there is a support here around this place that is bouncing price to the upside. All right, so you need to take note of this resistance. You need to take note of this support here also. All right, so we are going to confirm if the support is a strong one. All right, before making use of it. As you can see, is a strong support area. You can see price has rejected from this area before with because of that support area before. Okay, and you can see rejections here due to that support area, so it's something we need to take note of. All right, now you want to step down to the 30-minute time frame again. Now on the 30-minute time frame, you can see how things is going. Now you step down to the 15-minute time frame. Now here on the 15-minute time frame, you put in some trend line. Right, you can see there is a support here that price is working with right now. All right, but based on this resistance zone here that is very strong, this is from the daily time frame. Right, so this is going to be very strong. All right, so you need to expect the movement like this, like you need to expect something like this, price breaking below this trend line here. All right, it's going to go back for retest, then it's going to likely continue to the downside here. Right, you can see that there is a resistance here also that you need to take note of. There is a resistance down here that also needs to be considered. All right, now this is the first plan of action. This is the plan A. All right, but if it fails to go down, then the plan B is that you wait for it to just break above our area here. You wait for the retest. And then you take a short buy. All right, you just take a short buy to the nearest resistance area you can see. All right, then you close your profit. Right, because the overall trend of the market is a downtrend. All right, so any buying you are doing is supposed to be a short buy. All right, so this is the plan for volatility 100 index. All right, so I just said I should quickly share this with you guys, right? And one or two lesson can be learned from this. Okay, so this is just for educational purpose, right? So if you have watched the video to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that, right? If you're a new viewer, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. For those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video, right? Make sure to join the family, and I also share free signals on daily basis there. Okay, so make sure you join. All right, I think that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.